Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is a Brother HL L2340DW. This is one of their laser printers, and I'm going to show you today how simple it is to replace the toner cartridge. But if you've never done it before, it's always nice to see someone do it first before you try for yourself. So that's the point of this video. First thing you need to know is this Brother, like most Brothers, they do have kind of universal toner kits. This one takes either a TN630 or a TN660. You can get these from Brother or Amazon or wherever. This one's a TN660. They're the same size as a 630. It's just the yield or the amount of toner in there is different. This is the high yield one, so you get like 5,000 pages or something crazy like that for a print of this. And these are probably going to run you around $40 or $50. I'll put a link in the description of the video on where you can buy one. On the side, it'll tell you which printer it is compatible with, but we know it's compatible with this. First thing you're going to want to do is get a clear indication of that you need a new toner, and you'll probably get a warning on your computer screen, or it'll say something like this. Get that glare off. There we go. Replace toner cartridge, and it tells you how. And the how is what I'm going to show you today. Okay, for this model, the 2340DW, couldn't get much simpler. You just grab this front piece and pull down and away from the center of the machine, and that exposes the hatch. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see this green arrow here. This is going to pull out the tray that holds the toner cartridge. So I'm going to pull that straight out like this. And that's the tray. Zoom back out. That holds the cartridge. You can see this other one's a 660, so it's an old high yield. So to lift it out of the tray, you press the green tab and then lift out. So once again, once you've removed the whole tray, press the green tab. That kind of ejects it, and then lift it out. We'll put the new one in here. I'm not sure, but sometimes Brother lets you recycle it. You'll use the same box, and they'll give you a shipping label to return the old cartridge for recycling. Hope that's the case. There you go. Help us collect Brother cartridges. Yes, they have a toner printer, or there's the label that you can slap on the box, and it will return it. So that's good recycling. I like that. Here's the old one. Save everything because you're going to wrap up the old one in it to send it back. It has a tear point. You just tear it across. Pull out the new one. Now you don't have to shake it up or anything, but it does have a protective cover on the end. And to do that, you don't want to touch the cylinder under here, underneath this. Pull this orange protective cover off, and you see that nice black cylinder there. That's what you want to not touch. Sliding it back into place, just push it in, snap down, a little bit of a click here, and then pushing everything to the side. Open the front again and slide the tray back in carefully. I use my thumbs here. And then close the top. And we should, if you did it right, get a good indication here. Okay, we are good to go because we don't have that indication of replaced toner cartridge anymore. So that's how simple it is to replace a Brother TN660 cartridge, in particular on this one, on the 2340. Now most Brother printers are going to be exactly the same with the tray and everything. The mechanics of where to get to the toner cartridge might be slightly different, but now you know how to do it. Don't be afraid, get to work, and thanks for watching.